Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So first things first, we are going to get into these eyebrows, and I'm going to be outlining my eyebrows using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Deep. And guys, this is my new best friend. I absolutely love this pencil. If you're looking for a more natural brow, this is what you need. So I purchased this at my local beauty supply store, and I think it was about $3.99 or $4.99, something like that, but definitely worth the buy. I'm going to clean up my brows using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Natural Sand, and this is my go-to concealer when I'm carving out my brows. Okay, so now that the brows are done, let's get into this palette. So I've already primed my eyes with my P. Louise Rumor 2 base, and now I'm going into this palette and I'm using those three colors that I pointed to. The brown, the chocolate brown, is going to be the first color that I placed in my crease. And as you can see, guys, this is very pigmented. For $1.99, you cannot beat this with a bag. It's a very good palette. I saw one of my makeup sisters had posted it in a makeup group on Facebook, and I was like, oh wow, you know, like I'm always up to try things. So I went to my beauty supply store, and luckily they had it. They actually had 4 of the different palettes, so I did purchase all of them. I will be doing a look for each one of them, but I really wanted to go into that Mocha Mix palette today because it's getting ready to be fall. I know it's still hot, y'all, but fall is approaching, and this is a perfect fall look. The pigment is amazing, and it blends out really, really well. And that's the one thing that I look for when purchasing palettes. You know, I've actually spent money on palettes, and they don't blend well. So for me to spend $1.99 on a palette, and it does exactly what I want it to do, is absolutely amazing. So one thing I wanted to point out to you guys, if you haven't noticed already, there is absolutely no fallout. Like, can you believe that? None. There's really no breakup of the eyeshadow. So again, this is a really good palette. Alright, so now I'm just popping on some lashes, and I'm using the Miss 3D Volume Lash, and once again, I forgot the number of the lash. I'm sorry guys, but these I've actually worn before, so the package has been in the trash for a minute now. To prime my face, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is like my new best friend. I absolutely love it. And then we're going to mix these two foundations. It's the Black Opal foundation with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and this time I did not use a lot. I just wanted to use a little bit because I really wanted to focus more so on the eyes today. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out, and then we're going to apply some highlight. So the concealer I'm using for that is my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 16, and we're just going to apply a little bit as well. We don't need a lot. And for my contour, we're using the Black Opal Cream Stick in the shade Hazelnut. I'm going to go ahead and set my contour with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Ebony. I did want a deeper contour. I usually use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest, but I wanted to go for something a little bit dramatic. Not too much, just a little bit dramatic. And then I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm also going to go over those areas that I contoured because I think it was a little bit too strong for me. So I'm just going to go over that to tone that down and make it look more natural. So while cleaning out my makeup drawer, guys, I found my Sonia Kashuk Luminosity Bronzer. I think I said it right. I absolutely love this stuff. I totally forgot I had it, but I'm so glad I found it, and it just looks so good. Personally, I prefer a bronzer over a blush, but blush is my favorite as well. So now I'm just going to apply some highlight to these cheeks, and I'm using the Black Radiance Baked Bronzer in the shade Flawless. And I forgot to say, I did set my face with the Pearl Essence Rose and Coconut Makeup Setting Spray. And I'm just going over the areas that I highlighted with that bronzer just to tone that down as well. I don't want it too strong. I want everything just to, you know, look really nice, flawless, and seamless. I'm almost embarrassed to say what lip liner I'm using because I probably used it for my last 3 videos. But it's the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Catwalk Liquid Lipstick. And I forgot the name of it, but I will have it listed below for you guys. And it's like perfect. I don't do matte, but this is like the perfect color if I did do a matte lip. And that concludes this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed creating this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.